I'm Michael. I'm a filmmaker based in Taiwan. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K Pro. This is my rig, my workhorse. I've been working professionally with this camera pretty much exclusively for 3 years, since 2021. Depending on the shoot, I will have to sometimes use other cameras, but for the majority of my work, I've been using Blackmagic cameras, and I want to take you through a day where I actually took this on a low-budget commercial recently and show you how I've used it. And I'm actually preparing to travel with it again. I've shot documentaries with this camera, commercials, music videos, all types of different films with this amazing camera, and I'm gonna be going to Saudi Arabia soon. Stay tuned for more content. For your reference, if you were to rent this equipment, that is a lens, the camera, the rig, the tripod, and the audio attachment, it would cost 4,000 Taiwan dollars, which I think is roughly 130 US dollars. If you don't have the money right now to buy this equipment, you can rent it and charge the client. Got my tripod, got my stabilizer. We are walking to the location to film a short, low-budget commercial. It's Friday morning, so there's a lot of traffic right now. I'm near Taipei main station. And yesterday, I met with the director. I used to work with this director, 10, quite a bit. Shot a lot of different projects, music videos, commercials, little documentaries. And he reached out to me earlier this week to help him with the shoot today. It should be pretty straightforward. It's for a supplement, a 3-in-1 collagen product with apparently vitamin B and vitamin C in it. And we're just filming one actress. Should be, hopefully it's a low stress shoot. See how it goes. Yesterday he told me about the requirements, and we're gonna be filming in 1x1 for social media. And he wants this to be a simple thing, so we're filming it in Rec 709, 4K, and I brought 2 lenses. He sent me the script. He doesn't speak English, so it's all in Chinese. I translated it. It seems pretty straightforward. But it's a nice day. There's no rain. Got about a 20-minute walk to the Riverside Park. We changed the location last minute. Check out these shadows from these trees. Pretty cool. Got some KTV. That Taiwanese feel in here. Gonna set up my camera. I'm about 20 minutes early. That's not good. That's weird. It's all good. Oh, so sweaty. Lost a lot of fluids already. It's not even 9:30 in the morning. I wanted to leave this quick release plate on the bottom of my 6K Pro to make switching between a tripod and the stabilizer quicker, but I think it's more valuable to have the V-mount battery mounted because we're probably going to be filming about 2 hours, and I'm assuming that 10 and the actress will want to review the footage. So just to be safe, I'm prioritizing power over the speed of switching stabilization. I hope it's a good choice. So I'm going to mount it on the bottom of my V-mount plate, and this will let me attach it to my tripod, but then if I want to go to my fly cam, I'm going to need to take this plate off, put it on the 6K Pro, which in reality probably takes about a minute. It doesn't take long, but sometimes being quick can make a big difference. So let's start with the 11 to 16, see how 10 likes that. We're shooting in 4K, so we're gonna be cropped in 2x. So even though it's 16 millimeter, the field of view is gonna be roughly equivalent to 30 to 35, somewhere around there. Just lock this on here. Man, nice background music for this rig build, huh? I already put the CFast in last night and formatted it. I've got an NPF in there. Gonna hook up the V-mount battery. Alright, power should be good. Let's set up the shotgun. Okay, I'll be getting phantom power from the camera. Power of the feet, the power of the shotgun. Got the wireless labs here. Let's get that set up. The receiver, I like to mount it on the side. Put that into the mic jack there. And I think we're pretty much set. I'm gonna wait until 10 gets here to do the labbing. See how he wants to do that. I hoped you liked that vlog. I was vlogging with the chest-mounted Insta360 camera, the X4. I wanted it to be more real, and this isn't the typical content that I will be posting on this channel, but it will be related to filmmaking because that's my freelance business here that I've been doing for almost a decade now. If you like this type of content, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. If you have any questions about the Blackmagic 6K Pro, again, I've been using it professionally for about 3 years now, so feel free to leave a comment below any questions you have, and I'll be happy to get back to you. So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.